Hội An, an ancient town where every street, every house holds memories of a prosperous past. A new day in Hội An begins with the first steps through narrow alleys, breathing in the fresh morning air. Once one of Southeast Asia's busiest international trading ports in the 16th and 17th centuries, Hội An became a melting pot of Vietnamese, Japanese, Chinese, and Western cultures. Every street, every house here tells stories of prosperity, commerce, and cultural exchange. What makes Hội An unique is not only its history but also its architecture. The ancient houses with yin-yang tiled roofs, old brick walls, and intricately carved wooden doors. The Japanese covered bridge, an indispensable symbol of Hội An, stands as a testament to the cultural connection between Vietnam and Japan. Hội An not only retains its architectural beauty, but also preserves a rich culture and long-standing traditions. The people of Hội An, with their slow-paced, friendly, and hospitable lifestyle, always welcome visitors from all over the world. Traditional crafts such as lantern making, ao dye tailoring, and pottery are still preserved and developed. Hội An not only captivates visitors with its ancient beauty, but also with its rich and unique cuisine. Every dish here carries the flavors of tradition, made from the freshest ingredients. From the chewy noodles of cao lao to the fragrant banh mi, every bite is an unforgettable culinary experience. When night falls, Hội An transforms into a mystical and shimmering wonderland. The city is illuminated by thousands of lanterns, turning Hội An into a vibrant canvas of colors and lights. The Lantern Festival, held on the full moon of every month, is a time when the entire city is filled with light and laughter. Beyond the ancient town, Hội An has many other fascinating places to explore. Than Ha Pottery Village with its centuries-old tradition, Bay Mau Coconut Forest with its lush green scenery, or the Cham Islands, a jewel with pristine beaches, all promise unforgettable experiences for visitors. Hội An attracts not only domestic tourists, but also international visitors. Each person who comes here brings their own unique perspective, but all are captivated by the simple and profound beauty of this place. Hội An is not just a city. It is a symbol of harmony between people and nature, between the past and the present. This is a place where every step you take can feel the deep cultural and historical values. If you're seeking a place to find peace, to listen to the stories of time, then Hội An is the destination you cannot miss. Thank you for joining us in experiencing the journey to discover Hội An. Please like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting trips.